this is going to be the second part of the flower video. I did the first one and absolutely loved it, and I'm going to actually try the same one again using the same colors. So this is that one, that first one. And now that I have an idea of how it's going to turn out, I'm going to try to get things a little bit more centered. I'm not sure if that'll happen, but we're going to try. So I have marks on my mold. I'm using the exact same colors. I am going to be using Willow and Ivy fragrance from Brambleberry. It's not supposed to have any issues, supposed to behave well. On here it says there's no discoloration, but on the website it says yellow or light yellow. So I am going to be adding some pearly white mica to the base, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a little drizzle on the top of that. So what I had done, I wanted to try this one again with some more flowers to see if I could possibly get some down below. That didn't really work too well. This is one that I did this 2 days ago, and I cut it, no, I did it yesterday, and I cut it today, and it's still really pretty, but when you pour, and then you pour the next ones, it just continues to push that batter up. So you can see the pink kind of slides up. And I didn't want to pour too deep because I didn't want to lose the definition and have it all muddled. So I did end up putting this color right here in the base, and I did a darker green, but I kind of like the white or the lighter color. I think gives more contrast. I also used half as much of the mica in here, so the colors are a little bit lighter, and I really like the intensity. So this one is still beautiful. I want to try and redo the top to that one on this one, but I'm going to do this one again and see if I can get a little bit better, especially on the red, more centered. But as anybody who makes soap, you know, sometimes when you're putting the hanger tool down there, you don't always hit the center of it because sometimes it shifts, or you're looking into something that it's like looking in pancake batter. I mean, you don't really know what's on the inside. You have a general idea, but not 100% sure. So same colors, same oils, doing the 10 bar, and then a different fragrance. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started.